Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for all new viewers, welcome to Acedo's Kitchen. Today's video is a grocery haul video. This haul covers back to school snacks and lunches. I've been under the weather recently, which is why you're watching this late. Over the past 2 years, grocery prices have increased significantly. Before this shopping trip, I hadn't been to COSTCO for a long time. I did my budget based on old prices, so you can imagine the shock that hit me once I walked through the doors. The prices were not what I expected. If you'd like to see what you can get from COSTCO for slightly over $1,000, please stick around to the end. Despite the rise in prices, I still got what was on my list, which cost me more than I had budgeted for. However, I am still happy because it's still cheaper than buying most of these items from Kohl's or Woolworths. Having said this, not everything is cheaper at COSTCO, so make sure you compare prices before deciding where to shop. I got enough school snacks for the first 2 terms of the year and will shop for the second half of the year in late June or early July. There's a lot of things to get through, so I won't get into details on all prices. To give you a rough idea as to how much I'm saving here, the chips at the bottom right costs $8.90 for a pack of 20 at both Kohl's and Woolworths, but this 66 pack cost me $17.49. The Red Rock Deli pack of 10 costs $8.90 at both Kohl's and Woolworths, while this 40 pack cost me $19.99. On this side, I have more school snacks and breakfast cereals. I have a box of oats, pancake mix, Nutella, garlic and herb spice mix, curry powder, ketchup, and 2 boxes of flavored milk. I'll move to this section so I can put the fridge and freezer items away before I proceed with the rest of the items. I have a box of Oreos, foil oven trays, pies and sausage rolls, classic meat pies, and 2 boxes of salami with cheese and crackers. This pack of 7 costs me $20 at COSTCO, while at Kohl's and Woolworths, a 3-pack costs $10.70. I also got a value pack of Fruit Loops, Nutri-Grain, Cocoa Pops, and 3 boxes of noodles. I now move on to the fruits and veggies. I have apples, pineapples, mangoes, broccoli, capsicum, spring onions, cucumbers, a box of tomatoes, and baby cucumbers. I also got value packs of strawberries and grapes and a jumbo pack of cheese. These chicken thighs were the only meat I got from Costco this time. However, I got some meat from the butchery on my way back. The butchery also has a fruit and veg shop, and these are the items I got from there. A bunch of parsley, a bunch of coriander, 2 kilos of lamb curry with bones, 2 lamb necks, ginger, cumin powder, and Vegeta. I usually get Vegeta from Costco, but on this day there wasn't any. These are the last fridge items which I'll put away, then I proceed with the remaining items. Here I have juice boxes for school. I got passion and tropical. I also have Colgate toothpaste, 2 packs of plain flour, 50 mini pancakes, 6 pasta sauces, popcorn, mung beans, French rolls, two trays of eggs, and 2 packs of butter muffins. I also got some toilet rolls and paper towels. Finally, down here I have Sharpies, 5-pack notebooks, 2 boxes of tissues, and Dawn dishwashing liquid. I mix this with vinegar to make a multi-purpose cleaning solution, so this will last me for the whole year. I also have a value pack of Finish dishwashing tablets, Vanish Napisan Gold, Omo, laundry sanitizer, and Dettol. The twin 2 kg pack of Vanish Napisan Gold costs $22.99, while at Kohl's and Woolworths, one 2 kg pack costs $32. This is all the shopping I have, so I will quickly put everything away and start cooking. Today I am making pilau, but I won't give detailed steps because I have a recipe video on my channel. If you'd like to know how to make pilau, I'll link the video in the description box below and pin it in the comments section. This time I have added potatoes into my pilau. I am also using my favorite pilau masala mix. This saves me from using whole spices or grinding pilau masala mix, which can be tricky due to the quantities of each spice used. As I cook this, I finish putting the groceries away. The food is now ready, so I serve myself and relax after such a long day. Before I sit down, I finish putting the remaining groceries away as I wait for my food to cool down. This used to cost me around $800, so I didn't expect to spend over $1,000. I didn't get into too much details in relation to prices, however, I have given few examples of the price difference. The most shocking price rise was the paper towels that cost $32.99 before, but now costs $49.84. As I mentioned earlier, not everything is cheaper at COSTCO, so do your research before deciding where to shop. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. To watch more of my videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.